welcome to our YouTube channel. So today is a happy day because we have pulled out all the Christmas decor and we are decorating. So I just shot the first part of a reel on Instagram, and so the latter part of that reel is going to be me finishing up the kitchen decor. So everything is bare. I've taken down all the fall decorations from everywhere. Counters. It's not going to be a clean with me because the maids actually came yesterday and they cleaned. So we are good to go. Yes. Period. So everything is clear. The counters, you can see we already got some decorations out, and I'll take y'all over to where the decorations are real quick. All of the decorations I pulled out the shed. I tried to organize them as best as I could. This was my favorite from last year because it actually is going to go right up there in our hot cocoa bar. So I'm gonna start setting out stuff that I am gonna use. I love these little heating pads or iron oven pads. They are gonna go, I think they're gonna go on the cabinet this year. Yeah. And then, oh yes, so I hung some small wreaths on the cabinet last year, but the and QJ found
Nadia's old stuff when she was 5, the same age as me, and I just found it in the shed.
Are you taller than it? Let's see. Oh, you are taller than it. Wow. So yes, I found some thick ribbon at Sam's, and I picked that up because I'm gonna put wreaths on the cabinets. Yes, like I did. So yes, so we're about to make the we're about to decorate the kitchen. So I'm gonna do these in segments. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start, because it's easier for me to control on in my head and in the list that I have. So the biggest part that we use is the kitchen in our house. We utilize the kitchen for everything. And so that's where I'm gonna start, and then I'll do it in segments. So after the kitchen will be the dining room, then the living room, and then the rooms. And so I'm gonna do a whole segment. All of this is gonna be on YouTube. And so without further ado, I want to get into the video. It's gonna be all sped up because I don't like to make people wait. Some of it will be slowed down, but we'll see. So let's get started. So I just wanted to get a clear mind. I started by cleaning the kitchen, just putting some stuff away, and then organizing some more from the Christmas box. Just getting everything laid out. So that's all I'm doing here. I kept going back and getting them from Hobby Lobby. They are so cute. And this year, since I have some string lights, I think I'm gonna put some string lights on them and put them, oh, they don't go up there, sorry. But this is all gonna be for my hot cocoa bar. So the theme every year in the kitchen is hot cocoa because the kids love hot cocoa so much. And so that is the theme, which is why you see the hot cocoa bar, the peppermint. And this bow, I'm thinking about doing something with it this year. I might put it above my husband's office because it's just so beautiful. So I'm gonna set it here. And I bought this flocked garland because I'm gonna do a flocked garland here this year. I'm so tired of just having the regular garland. And then these are for the dining room, so they go over on those right there. I bought this because that goes up where the hot cocoa stuff is. So yeah, let's see what else we have. So I'm definitely buying some new candy cans here because they've gotten all tattered and stuff with the wind. I use these on the bar, which I'm gonna use them somewhere else next year. I just labeled them. And then I have 2 Christmas trees, one for the dining room, one for the living room. And then I need to find my small wreaths. I think they're in that bag right there. So I'm gonna go grab that. Jeez. Those are ornaments. And then these big stars, these were from Hobby Lobby last year. QJ broke one of them, but they go outside on the house. They're so cute. We're gonna get our wreaths in this bag. And let's see what all we have in here. First, while I have this area cleared a little bit, I'm gonna start on the hot cocoa area. Well, I think actually I'm gonna start in and work my way out. That's how I'll be able to see what's going on. That's definitely for the dining room. So let's start in the kitchen. Oh, I'm so excited. I love the holiday season, just like everybody else who is on here on YouTube. I promised myself that I would start making more videos and not just be on Instagram and TikTok. So
You are sick.
yes, I am getting over a cold, but I'm feeling better. I'm trying to like sweat it out, and so I have my hair up today and I'm decorating. So this is my first real decorating holiday video. It's not gonna be fancy, but it's realistic on a Saturday morning, getting over a sickness and just getting in the holiday spirit. So let's go. How it looks, and this is how I'll show you. So I did these for my fall decor ones too, and basically what I did was I have the cabinet, thank you TJ, and I have a little this, you can see this better, I have a little command hook in here, but it's turned upside down, and so I just hook it on and I tie it around. Doesn't matter if your string is long or not, ain't nobody gonna see it. And then you have this beautiful wonderful wreath here. All right, so I'm getting everything placed here and just trying to see how everything looks. I love how my wreaths are coming out on the top of the cabinets, and I love those peppermints. Let me know what y'all think about those peppermints, because I love them. They're so cute. I'm playing in sync, so sue me. All right, so we got these up, and I noticed that I'm actually missing a bow right there, so I'm gonna have to go get one, but you get the drift. And then I think I'm gonna have to move that star over a little bit to kind of match this, but yeah. Your girl is sweating. Look at this. Okay, sweating. I'll go get a bow today to put that on there, but I also never decorate over here, so I think I'm gonna buy 2 more wreaths and put it on here, because I think that will really get the kitchen together. So I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby and look and see if I can find 2 of those, and then I'll go ahead and put it. Now, the best part. So I was thinking about buying a new curtain this year, but I think I might keep that one. I was thinking of just doing white, because I got this sign last year from Hobby Lobby. It was 50% off, so it was originally $40. Look at how freaking cute that is. Goes right above there. Actually, I'm gonna put it there now. I think you can see, yeah. Gosh, guys, it tied it all together. Look at that, it's so cute. That bow is bothering me, but I'm gonna get another one. So I went to Hobby Lobby. They don't have the wreaths out yet, and I also could not find any little red bows, so I'm SOL. So I have to and then I went to Walmart and I totally forgot, so I'm SOL. But I did buy some more trees and a couple more snowflakes and the cutest checkered rugs. Last year I had black and white checkered, and this year I'm gonna have red, white, green, and so they'll go under the hot cocoa mats, and then one will go in our little powder room. So I'm excited to see how they look. They're so cute. So I'm getting them from the car because while my husband's upstairs. Okay, we'll be back in a minute. So the decorating continues. I had to change my shirt, y'all. I'm not festive for this video, so please don't. It's not one of those cozy videos, I'm sorry. But look at this. The smaller version of these, and I have the bigger version. Here is the height difference. So as you can see, these are bigger. These go in the fireplace, and I'm thinking about putting these up there, but I don't know yet. And then I got, some more snowflakes. So we'll see. I'm about to put this all together and see how it looks, and just kind of play around with some things. I'm not sure where I'm gonna place them, but that's the art of decorating. It's a fun part of decorating is that you kind of find your flow as you go. This will be a lot of voiceover, so yeah. Let's see how this looks up there. So I ended up kind of playing around with stuff. These trees were actually too tall for the height over the cabinets, the sink. So I ended up putting it on the top of the refrigerator. So, yep. And now I'm just setting out my mats. And they're so cute. I love them. And playing around with more trees. So it is finally time to start decorating. I think I'm done with the kitchen. I think I have just a few more touches to put on there, but it's finally time to start decorating this outer section. And I have some big plans in my head, but I'm just gonna play around with stuff and see how this goes. It's gonna be fast motion, so keep up with me. But as you can see, I have some trees. They're gonna go on my fireplace. And then I have some little trees that I'm trying to decide what to do with. But in the meantime, like, I'm just gonna play around with stuff because I really don't know what I want. This also allows me to be able to figure out what else I need once I decorate the house, what else I'm lacking, you know, whatever else, and then I can go from there and I can budget wisely rather than just going out and spending my money on stuff that I don't need, which I always find a place for it. But this year we're saving money, so let's get into this area. So I love decorating this area every year for different things. We decorate for birthday parties. It's just a beautiful space. When we bought the house, it was closed, and so they cut the wall out to open the kitchen up. And I think it's just, I love it. I love it a lot. And so finding things to go on there, you know, can be kind of hard, especially for Christmas, but I wanted to, you know, make it look nice. Now, y'all, I struggled with this garland. It turned out to be the wrong one, so I had to take it down, and the curtain kept falling. It was just a lot. So then I moved on. I finally found the garland. Then I moved on to the bar, and I'm just hanging these up with these cool command hooks that I got from Amazon. Waiting all day. QJ just got back from a birthday party. My living room is a mess. The maids came yesterday, and I feel like I'm cleaning up as I go. But Nuri is tired, so we're gonna get her ready for bed. But I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. And he made some cupcakes at his party. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I'm gonna show you guys. I was trying to work on this garland at the bar, but Nuri is not giving me the time of day. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. Well, let me start out here. I turned off all the lights just so I could see how it looks. And I'm tucking these lights. White is the only one that I found because all my green is used up. So then I have lights over there, and they messed up my kitchen towels. Nuri threw everything on the floor. So yeah, we're making progress. But yes, so it looks great.
What are these?
Those are light up candy. So we're almost officially done with the kitchen. I'm gonna give you guys a walk around soon, and then I wanna start decorating my dining room. I was gonna wait until I got my new area rug, but I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating it today. That'll be another video. And then, we're gonna move on to the living room. So I'm doing these section by section. First will be the kitchen, and I'm excited for you guys to see the final look of the kitchen. I feel like it's the heart of our home. Everything is done in here. What? And so that's where I wanted, you know, the rest of the house will be beautiful too, but the kitchen was just like, it's really the focal point in here. Because like I said, we do everything here, we dance in here. So yeah, I'll give you guys a walk around in just a second. So now it's time to set up our 3-tier tray. I get this from Hobby Lobby, and I use this for all occasions like Easter, Christmas, Thanksgiving, or fall, you know, all of the holidays. And so I'm just grabbing some of our Christmas stuff down from the cabinet. I have some hot chocolate, some marshmallows, some white chocolate, sprinkles. This bar is basically set up for the kids so that when they make their hot chocolate, they have everything to their disposal. They don't have to go in to the cabinets and grab. It's just all right there. They have candy canes, they have peppermint stirs. They have everything they need, and so I just like to have that easily accessible for them. And it's fun. It's fun when we make our hot cocoa bar, and it's so cute. And so yeah, I set that up, and usually I do a video on Instagram, and so I'll put that up soon. But I'm just adding chair covers here, and we're pretty much done. We're finally done. Stay tuned for more videos and more decorating with us. Bye. Happy holidays.